My name is David Bookbinder. I'm a special researcher on Chad and Sudan at Human Rights Watch, and I study the Darfur conflict vis-a-vis Chad, go up and down the border, collecting information, documenting human rights abuses. And I just want to say that the Darfur conflict didn't happen overnight. It took a long time to happen. It's a multifactorial problem, and it's going to take a long time to solve, and it's going to require a multifactorial solution. There's no silver bullet, there's no easy way to solve it, but it needs sustained attention and focus. There's going to have to be, in addition to attention, money, obviously, but also sort of an intelligence imposed on the problem. This is not the kind of thing where it's where rhetoric or nostrums or silver bullets are going to be enough to do what it takes. So that would be my appeal, to focus, but to focus intelligently and in a sustained way over time.